Welcome to Road to 100 Con Questions. Three consecutive positive integers are such that their product is 65 times their sum. Normally, when you take product of three numbers, we take the middle number as, let's say, r. The previous number will be 1 minus r, next number will be 1 plus r. So it becomes simpler to multiply 1 minus r into 1 plus r, 1 minus r square. That's how you take. Is 65 times their sum. The sum will be 3r. 3 times the middle number. 80, right? So middle number is the average. So if you look at it, I can cancel r and you will get 1 minus r into 1 plus r as 65 into 3. Break it up. 13 into 5 into 3. Factorization helps out here. If you can factorize easily, you can make out that one number has to be a multiple of 13, other is 15. Directly make out 13 and 15. So sum of them will be 28. As a matter of fact, when you see a 65 out here, you can make out that one of them has to be a multiple of 13. Yeah, but then if you substitute, you can make out that it has to be 13, 14, 15. Becomes easier to solve and then get the answer. Right? One is a multiple of 13 and there is a 5 out here. One has to be 5. The only possible way is 13, 14, 15. You can directly substitute. 2 points of a triangle lie on line x plus y equal to 5. So when you draw it, x is equal to 0, you'll get y as 5. And when y is 0, you get x as 5. But integer coordinates. The third point is on origin. If two of the points lie on the first quadrant, if they lie on the first quadrant, how many points with integer coordinate will be there on the first quadrant? It will be 4 points. X coordinate 1, x coordinate 2, x coordinate 3, x coordinate 4. Technically 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 4. From these 4 points, you have to pick up 2 points for a triangle, which is 4C2, 6. So total number of ways will be 6, C option. From these 4 points, you have to pick up 2 points for a triangle. Any 2 points will do, which is 4C2, 6 ways. A tank is connected with 3 pipes, which can empty the tank, and 2 pipes which can fill the tank. Each pipe filling pipe can fill the tank in 40 minutes and is twice as efficient as the emptying tank. So if I assume the emptying tank efficiency is 1 unit, then filling tank efficiency is 2 units per minute, whatever. Right? Now, if each filling tank takes 40 minutes to fill the tank, that means both together will take 20 minutes to fill the tank. Both filling pipe can take 20 minutes to fill the tank. Now, emptying pipe will come only at a point of 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4. So let's take each point at till 1/4. Okay, to fill 1/4 of a tank, the 2 pipes will do 4 units of work per minute because both the pipes are open, right? And they will take 20 upon 4, which is 5 minutes to completely fill 1/4 of a tank. Next, from 1/4 to 2/4. Now, this emptying pipe will be opened up. So, amount of work done is 4 minus 1, 3 units per minute. So, when we do 4 units per minute, it takes 5 minutes. When you do 3 units per minute, it will take 5 into 4 upon 3. 6.66 minutes to fill the tank. Now, when you go from 2/4 to 3/4, the amount of work done is 4 minus 2 because now both these pipes, emptying pipes are open. So we do 2 units of work. So when 4 units of work is done, it takes 5 minutes. When 2 units of work is done, it will take 10 minutes to fill the tank. And last, from 3/4 to completely fill the tank, right? It will take 4 minus 3, 1 unit of work. And all these 3 emptying pipe is open, so 1 unit of work. So 1 unit of work. So 4 units takes 5 minutes. So 1 unit of work will take 20 minutes. Now add it up all. So when you add it up, you will get 41.67 minutes, which is B option. That will be the answer. So do in terms of efficiency, in terms of work done, it becomes much easier to solve. A shopkeeper marked his goods 50% above the cost price, but gave 2 successive discounts with an overall profit of 21.5%. One is you can use the options. Let's say cost price is 100, so your mark price is 150. Now you're giving discount. Take the easiest option. 10% is the easiest option. Take minus 15, 135, minus 13.5 will give you 121.5. So 21.5% profit satisfies A option. So when you substitute, you either substitute the easiest option or the middle option. Here 10 is easy to calculate, so I took 10. You can also solve by saying that again cost price is 100, so mark price is 150 into the, you're giving discounts. Let's say you're giving X, you multiply by X and X twice to get 121.5 as the final price. So X square equal to 121.5 upon 150 or 1215 upon 1500. You can make out it both goes in 5. So 5 2s are 5 4s are 3s are. It goes in 3 also. So it becomes 81 upon 100. So that means X will become 9 upon 10. So you're basically multiplying X by 0.9. If X is 0.9, you're giving a 10% discount. Right. So that answer will be A option. 6 distinct numbers out of the 10 numbers from 241 to 250 are written one below the other. Sum of the first n numbers are divisible by n. So we know the 6th last number is given to you, 247. So for sake of convenience, I'm ignoring 240 because 240 is anyway divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we take 240 everywhere, it will not make a difference. So ease of calculation, I'm ignoring 240. So I'll just take 7 as the last number. That means first 5 numbers should be a multiple of 5. So how can first 5? The minimum possible is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If you look at 15. So the minimum possible for first 5 numbers is 15. It can be 15, it can be 20, it can be 25, it can be 30, it can be 35. 40 will not be possible because 40 will require all 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, most likely. Okay, now let's try to further go and try to shortlist and try to find out what else is possible. Now, if you look at it, since this is odd and the whole sum of first 6 is multiple of 6 has to be even, that means sum of first 5 has to be also odd. Sum of first 5 also has to be odd. Last one is odd and the sum of all the 6 numbers has to be even. Right? Sum of 6 numbers has to be even. So that means sum of first 5 has to be odd. So 20 and 30 ruled out. So you're left at 15, 25, 35. 3 numbers left. Further, try to think about how to go about it. Now if you look at 7 is a multiple of 6 plus 1. For the sum to be a multiple of 6, the first 5 numbers sum has to be multiple of 6 plus 5. Then only the sum will be multiple of 6. 7 is a multiple of 6 plus 1. When you divide by 6, the remainder is 1. The first 9 number should be multiple of 6 plus 5. From the option, 35 is the only one which satisfies. So one thing I can come to know that sum of the first 5 numbers is 35. Now how can you get 35? Think about it. 35 you can get, take the largest numbers. If I take the largest numbers, possible are 10, 9, 8, 7 is gone, 6 and 5. If you add this, it comes to 38. Means I have to remove 3 numbers from here to get 35. The only way I can remove 3 numbers is when the numbers are 10, 9, 8. I can reduce 6 to 5 and 5 to 3. I can't reduce 8. 8 can't be reduced to 7 because 7 is already gone. 8 can't be reduced to 6 because 6 is already there. So the only way to go about it is I have to reduce 6 and 5. 6 by 1 and 5 by 2. So these are numbers. Now I know the first 5 numbers. Now, what is the fifth number? For the fifth number, the first 4 numbers has to be a multiple of 4. That means I have to look at identify first 4 numbers which are multiple of 4. Addition of this we know is 35. If I subtract 3, it becomes 32 multiple of 4. If I subtract 7, it becomes a multiple of 4. Right? But 7 is not possible. 7 is not in this. So I have to subtract 3 to be a multiple of 4. That means these are the first 4 numbers. So fifth number will end in 3 or 243. So the answer is C option. Slightly complicated, but yes, we do in stages. Last number is odd. So for a sum to be odd, the first 5 numbers sum has to be odd. From that, we eliminated 20 and 30. We got that multiple of 5 because first 5 sum is multiple of 5. So then we got odd, so we eliminate 20 and 30. Once we eliminate that, then we saw the last number is multiple of 6 plus 1. So first 5 numbers has to be multiple of 6 plus 5. So from there we got 35. 35 we realize is only possible with these set of numbers. Now first 4 numbers has to be multiple of 4, which is possible only if you remove 3 from these numbers. So 3 has to be the fifth number. Thank you.